Okay, so the concept of our app is going to be a book review app. We're not completely sure about every aspect, but so far we have like the login to create your account, and then we have so basically the app's going to be keeping track of all of the books you've ever read and obviously keeping a list of them, and then you're going to be able to review them and make sure you know what your favorites are, remember what books you've read, or remember what they're about, because I've had trouble with things like that and I would have liked an app like this. So here it is where you can log into your account, and then here's the books you've read, the list of them, and then you can add a book. We move on to this screen where you can put every single detail from the book. You have to add the picture of the book, the title, the author, write a summary so you won't forget what it's about because it's happened to me. You can rate the book and add extra comments you want to remember. In a more advanced version of this app, obviously, it would have like a lot of books already downloaded, so you would just have to search up the book. But in this case, it's not that far yet. And then here we added some filters where you can see which books were your favorite, which books you want to reread, which books you don't recommend, which ones you do, and which books you haven't finished yet. So far that's what we have for the design, but I'm sure we'll add more details to it later on.
Okay. And just to hop in and add a little bit, what we have so far is, I guess, like the main screens, so you would say. But as we keep building, of course, there's going to be, since we have our login screen, we'll also have a sign up. So this will just route to another screen. You put in your username and your password or your email, and then that'll take you into this main first screen that you'll see. Also, we're planning for like down here with these little icons for navigation to have a profile screen, which might be on the simple side for a while, but might have like you could add like a picture or something. And then maybe like a little bar, like it might show the filters, but it show like, oh, welcome and then username. And then we'll have a way that we can just direct navigate directly to our favorite books. And then this will navigate to the ad book. And just home screen is just going to be just to keep the continuity here. It's showing up in every screen, but maybe it won't appear in the like the final version for here. But additionally, we were also considering like a community version in that you could maybe see recommendations or what others have rated or like how they summarized the book, how they rated the book, and what their comments on it were. And then based off of that, if maybe you're following other users or you just like a certain genre, you can get recommendations based on that. So for a while, it might be you just get recommended books from a certain genre instead of certain books. But maybe we can, as we keep moving, we can narrow it down so if a user really wants to filter through like recommendations, then we could have that as part of our app as well. So that would be more of the interacting with other users, which might be more down the line, but it is on the table and we are considering it for now. So if there's anything you would like to add for any comments on what I've said.
Um, I think that's it.
Okay. Well, this is our book app. We haven't established the name per se yet, but this is our cute little book app. So thank you.